Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by validating network and notification basics. Do that now. Make sure airplane mode is off, Wi-Fi or cellular is connected, and battery isn't in low power mode. Open Settings, go to Notifications, and confirm Allow notifications for the apps that are delayed. Once done, perform a force restart for your iPhone model to clear transient system states. This often resolves queued delivery. Wait for the device to boot fully before moving on to deeper fixes. Next, you fix the system behaviors that delay push delivery. Enable background app refresh for Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular so apps can process incoming pushes. Then, inspect focus and do not disturb settings, remove restrictive automations, and allow important apps in the Focuses Allowed list. Also check Scheduled Summary and turn it off for apps that must deliver immediately, because summaries hold notifications until the scheduled time. These steps let notifications wake apps and reach you without artificial batching or suppression. For stubborn delays, reset the network stack. Go to Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Reset Network Settings. This clears known connection issues that block APNs. If delays continue, sign out of your Apple ID, restart, and sign back into Refresh Device Tokens. Be sure you have a recent iCloud or local backup first. As a final measure, backup and perform a factory restore. Set up and test notifications before reinstalling everything. If notifications still fail, try toggling the app's reinstall as a final troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.